This guy, if you didn't notice, is standing on a skateboard, headstand on a skateboard, and he's doing
got this last layer right here.
Rubik's cubes, and he always completes them.
Actually, same time for you.
He's got to complete them before he gets too tired. Look at that. He's almost there.
About 5 seconds.
Fuck yeah.
4, 3.
So he deserves the tips that he's getting, right? That's pretty fucking awesome. And he's done. You see that? I don't know how long it took him.
And the skateboard takes me about 4 minutes.
It took you about 4 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Hey, you missed. Thank you. What's your name?
Gridlock.
Gridlock?
Yes, sir.
I'm OG, Old Gary.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
You can, you're gonna find yourself on my channel, my YouTube channel.
Okay, I'm at
I'll tell you what it is.
Okay, got your back.
Right. Oh yeah. So it's Venice Gallery.
Okay.
Gallery is spelled just like my last name, I-E instead of Y on the end.
Venice Gallery.
No, Gallery.
Gallery. Okay.
I-E instead of Y on the end.
Got it. Okay. Thanks again, man. Thank you.
Absolutely.